The Thinkware Dual Dashcam Q200 provides a high-quality front and rear 2K QHD recording solution, ensuring that drivers capture crystal-clear evidence in various conditions. Featuring Super Night Vision 2.0 and WDR technology, this camera excels in low-light environments, reducing glare and improving visibility, which is essential for capturing vital details at night. Whether you're a commuter, a family driver, or a rideshare worker, this dashcam is designed to enhance both your safety and peace of mind. The camera's 125-degree de-warped lens covers a wide field of view without introducing the fisheye distortion commonly seen in other wide-angle cameras. This means clearer captures of license plates and lanes in busy traffic. Additionally, the 3-axis G sensor automatically saves clips of critical moments when an impact is detected, ensuring that vital footage is always preserved. When it comes to durability, the Thinkware Q200 doesn't disappoint. With built-in thermal protection, the dashcam is built to withstand the heat inside a parked car, ensuring reliability during high-temperature conditions. The anti-file corruption feature safeguards your footage, giving you confidence that your video evidence won't be compromised. One standout feature is its parking surveillance mode, which captures motion and impacts while your car is parked, either in time-lapse or energy-saving modes. For added convenience, the built-in Wi-Fi and app allow for quick and easy setup, playback, and downloads directly from your phone. And with optional GPS, you can track your routes with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, providing safety camera alerts to help improve awareness. In terms of competitors, the Thinkware Q200 is a solid option for those seeking a reliable dual-channel dashcam, while products like the BlackVue DR750X offer similar features. The Q200's price point makes it a strong contender, especially for drivers who need quality recording but want to avoid the premium price tag of some higher-end models. However, it's worth mentioning that the Q200's lens isn't as wide as some of its competitors like the Vantrue N4, which covers up to 155 degrees. If you're looking for more expansive coverage, that might be something to consider. Pros: high-quality 2K QHD video, reliable in low-light conditions with Super Night Vision 2.0, wide 125-degree lens with no fisheye distortion, reliable G sensor for impact detection, built-in Wi-Fi for easy access and setup. Cons: wider lens options are available with other models. No direct recording while in-app, limited to playback and downloads. The Thinkware Q200 is a strong option for everyday drivers, especially those who prioritize ease of use, reliability, and clear video evidence. For commuters and family drivers, it offers good value for its price, ensuring peace of mind while you're on the road. However, if you're after a more premium setup or need a wider field of view, models like the BlackVue or Vantrue may be more suitable. If this breakdown is helping you out and you want to stay in the know with fresh and honest reviews, shift your gears into action and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. This product is best for drivers who need reliable, straightforward footage with easy-to-use controls and strong low-light performance. It may not be ideal for performance enthusiasts looking for the highest-end specs or the widest lens coverage, but for most daily drivers, it's a solid choice. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more gear breakdowns. The link to the product is in the comments box below. Drop your thoughts and experiences if you've used this dashcam, and feel free to ask any questions. Goodbye. Until next time, keep driving smart. Keep driving Autovated.